Meaning of East Kilbride.
East Kilbride.
East Kilbride.
East Kilbride.
East Kilbride. East Kilbride is a large suburban town located in South Lanarkshire, Scotland. It is named after the ancient Celtic Christian saint, Saint Bride, and the nearby village of Kilbride. The town was designated as Scotland's first new town in 1947 and has since become a popular residential area with a thriving economy and a variety of attractions, including museums, parks, and shopping centers. Additionally, it is known for its history of innovation in science and technology, particularly in the field of electronics.